just want to tap into your experience here as a former prosecutor. How real is this concern that counsel just related to the court?
I did not understand that concern. I understand the concern with regards to distribution, because I believe that's what the allegation is that Mr. Hall provided drugs to Mr. Floyd, the allegation being that he sold those. So if I'm the public defender, that's really all you need to say. You don't need to try to, I guess, impress or frighten or scare with the specter of a murder charge, because that's entirely inconsistent with the state's theory here. I mean, they would just have to reverse course, because that is essentially the defense theory, that Mr. Floyd died of the drugs. So I did not understand the argument with respect to the murder charge. I understand it with the distribution charge, certainly.
Exactly. Bingo, Kirk. You hit the nail on the head. The legal theory is that George Floyd died from Derek Chauvin's knee on his neck, positional asphyxiation, compression on his body. That's their whole legal theory. To your point, yes, if the legal theory were that drug delivery resulting in death, then Derek Chauvin wouldn't be the one who's being prosecuted right now. So this could very easily be solved by the state saying, look, if you're worried you're going to be prosecuted for this, look, we can tell you right now, we're not going to go that route. We will give you the immunity. But they're not doing that, right? They're holding firm on their position and just letting the defense squirm. But I wonder, are they going to want this coming back on appeal? Could this be an appealable issue? Julia, what do you think about that, please?
You know, it's interesting that the state has not moved on immunity in this case, but an interesting thing that came out of my conversation with Maurice Hall before all of this is that he had an indication that the prosecution wasn't going to call him as a witness. He was surprised. At that time, he actually wanted to take the stand and talk about what he saw, his interaction with George Floyd, and then seeing the officers approach them. And he said he had an important and unique perspective. So it does seem strange that the state, even at that point, no longer wanted to call him and had not offered any immunities. Don't know what the conversations were there behind the scenes, but not sure that his testimony impacts this case that much, only because there are so many bystanders. There was another passenger in the car that's also on the witness list, Shawanda Hill. So whether or not it would be something that Derek Chauvin could use as an appealable issue, I'm not leaning towards that.
Julia, I appreciate it. You know, it just makes me wonder so many things. I wonder, are they trying to leave open the ability to be able to prosecute him, for drug delivery resulting in death? I have to wonder. This has been one of those days, more questions than answered, certainly. Julia, Janae, Kirk, Davis, great to have your insight. Thank you both so much. We are out of time for this hour of Court TV Live, but coming up next,